Hello everybody, this is Redjet505 at MotoStyles shop. What I want to show you today, this cool vehicle. This is another Vaterra vehicle, and it's of course from Horizon Hobby. This is a 1972 Chevrolet K10. And this is officially Chevy vehicle. They get the license and everything for that, so it's a licensed vehicle. What we got here is a cool rock crawler that actually, when you look at it and you say, okay, what did they do to this? It looks like a real car. They did on the back the butterfly that you can actually remove the rear tires. They have the fuel cell on the back, real aluminum panels on the back. Really cool. Very soft tires. It comes with a DX2 remote. Nice grill on the front. Let's do this. Let's open it up for you guys. I know you want to see what there is underneath. There is clips here on the back that I already removed because they're pretty annoying. It's very hard to remove. You're going to need to put zip ties on them in order to make it easier, or remove it with the needle nose plier. And there was two over here. I just removed them just to do that. In the inside here, you can see how nice the body is set up with a nice support, and it's actually pretty strong. When you're gonna flip it, it's gonna hold pretty good. And there is already here like those holes that you can actually put light on. So just drill it, put your light, and you're gonna have light on top. Those RC lights. It will be very cool. Let's put this aside so you can see the frame. When you look in the frame, very cool. Those are adjustable frames, so you can actually make it longer or shorter. Just when you do that, don't forget that you have to move your body mount. 35 turn motor, 550 with a nice transmission case. This is gonna be your brushed electric ESC with the EC3. Of course, on those ESC you can run lithium batteries or nickel metal batteries here, those jumpers. Let's bring it closer. Instead of zooming in, I'm just bringing it closer. You need to actually adjust it here to fit two LiPo battery in order for it to work the right way. Okay, so you're gonna have the shut off for the LiPo battery. You just put the jumper on the right connector. Now, while it's very close, let's flip it right here. This vehicle taking a very small battery. Even though it's a big motor, you need a small battery. It's a square, it's a kind of rectangular small battery. You can use a 7.4 volt 2000 milliamp battery will fit, because it's going to be smaller for LiPo. Or you can use one of the nickel metal battery that they have specifically for that. But any battery that fit there on the front will work for that. Very cool vehicle. On the front you could see that you have like the Spectrum servo right there. It's a 605, the S605, that you cannot really see when the body is on. You can see like how it's gonna move, but you cannot really see the servo. Nice pumpkin. It's not aluminum, it's actually like anodized plastic, with very nice very impressive actually turn rate on this, with very nice hardware going inside over there. And then I would like to address the shocks real quick. Let's zoom in. This is analog way of zooming in, just bringing it close to the camera. Okay, so what we got here is adjustable coilover that have two springs, a softer one and a harder one. So when you start putting some pressure, the soft one on the top is gonna squeeze first, and then the hard one on the bottom. So this is when you do rock rolling, it's preventing from too much jumping. It's a very cool system that works on real vehicle, and they adopted it for this as well. Now this vehicle already have on the body, let me grab this, nice grill, and they have a light, but they did not give you a light with this kit, but you have here a place to put LED light. So please do so, because it's going to look very cool. This vehicle priced pretty low. It's about 330 to 350, depend where you buy it. Please buy it at the local shop. Get it today, go have fun with it. So pay a couple $1 more, who cares, you get it on today. Ready to run, need battery and a charger. Ready to run, not always mean that you get a battery and a charger with it. It's waterproofed. It's sealed here, your receiver, completely sealed, so you can go in water. Don't drown it in your pool, but you can go through water with this, no problem at all. Let's put the body back on this. Now look, when you put the body, first thing first, put the back in the 2 holes and then the front. 1 second. The back go here, those 2 holes. And then go back to the front and gently adjust it and it will fit. This is available right now at our shop at MotoStyles, 17540 Chatsworth Street. Give us a call. We're in Granada Hills, California, and if you want to get one of those, and we have other model as well, of course. But this is what caught my eye the last couple days, and I say, okay, I have to make a video for you guys about it. Very cool video, very cool vehicle, and I'm sure it's gonna run amazing. And don't forget to follow us, like and subscribe, because we're building right now a big rock crawling truck in our backyard, and we're gonna show you the entire process. See you in my next video, and don't forget to subscribe to my main shop channel. It's RC Monster Garage. This channel of mine is already very big, and I have a couple million views and stuff, so I keep running it. People just love it, but we have the professional one for the shop. It is RC Monster Garage. If you got that far to listen to what I have to say, don't forget to like and subscribe, because we're giving a lot of free stuff. If you're not subscribed, I don't know who you are, and you're not getting anything. See you. Bye-bye.